Hello, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you had a great weekend and everyone made out well with those crazy storms we had last week. I know we lost power for a few hours at my house, but this past week you submitted your 5 components of reading presentations. Everyone did a great job with those, and I enjoyed looking over the activities that you posted. So I will be posting your grades and grades soon. This week is Module 14, so can you believe it? Next week is the last week of the semester, so we only have this week and next week left. That's crazy. It's flying by. So this week, your thematic units are due. So the last 2 weeks, we've been talking about how to make your thematic unit digital. So hopefully you've been working on making your thematic unit into either a Google site or a Google slide or PowerPoint or Weebly or however else you could think to do it. I know some of you made a YouTube video of you going over the hard copy of the binder page by page. That's fine too. If you have any questions or if you're struggling with making your thematic unit digital, just give me a call or email me or text me, and I'm happy to go over that with you. So this week, like I said, our whole focus is on our thematic units, finishing those up, submitting them, and sharing them with each other. So this week's assignments are your complete thematic unit and posting it on the discussion board to share with your classmates and then to reply to a classmate. So once you have your thematic unit done, please either attach it or post the link onto our Module 14 discussion board. Include what your theme is and maybe even why you picked that theme in just a couple sentences. You could even maybe tell us what your favorite activity was that you included in your lesson, or your favorite lesson plan, or how it went, whatever you would like to do. And then please reply to at least one classmate by Sunday at midnight, but it would be nice to give some of your other classmates feedback as well and take a look at their thematic units. The good thing is that you can probably find some great ideas to file and steal for use in your future classroom. Also, I have on the timeline lab evaluation completed by classroom teacher. There's nothing you need to do for that. I will take care of it. Those of you that had me for methods 2 know that I usually give you the lab evaluation to have the teacher fill out, but this time, since life's a little crazy right now, I'll just take care of it. So I'll take care of it, and then by next week, post your grade for your lab evaluation and grade. So there's nothing you need to do for that. So again, for this week, please just finish up your thematic unit, post it here on our Module 14 discussion board, and reply to at least one classmate, if not more. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you have a great week, and I can't wait to see your thematic units. Bye. Take care.